Let's make this easiest and yummiest chocolate dessert ever. Before we start the video, please subscribe to my channel, Pastel Cakes and Desserts. Firstly, melt the chocolate you have and coat any deep silicone mold you have with it. You can use any silicone ice cube tray, or even a disposable glass will work for this dessert. Add a layer of chocolate ganache. Comment ganache, and I will give you the easiest 2 ingredients ganache recipe. Add any fruit crush or jam of your choice. Add a slice of leftover brownie or cake. Layer it with more chocolate ganache. Add another slice of brownie or cake. Seal the final layer with more ganache. Pop it in the fridge for 30 minutes, and it's ready. Loosen the edges carefully. It is the easiest and yummiest chocolate dessert you can make at home. Please do not forget to like and share this video to your friends. Also hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell for more such easy, sweet recipes.